going to try and do a little bit more help for the balancing equations task. What I've written out here is the equation in green 2. So we've got Al plus Br2 makes AlBr3. Al is aluminium, Br is bromine. So we've got aluminium reacting with bromine to make aluminium bromide. These are the reactants, and this is the product. So these two things on the left-hand side here are sticking together, bonding together, reacting together to make this thing on the right-hand side. So these molecules, they exist as they are. We can't change any of the little numbers. If we change that, they become different things. That defeats the object. All we can do is add big numbers in front to try and balance this out, okay? So let's start off by working out how many of each atom we have on each side. So, aluminium, there's just one of those. That would be one atom on its own. Br2, the little 2, is next to the Br. That means I've got two bromine molecules stuck together. That makes one of these things, AlBr3, aluminium bromide. I've got an aluminium stuck to 3 bromines. 1, 2, 3. So I can add in more of this whole thing. I can have another entire one of these, but it's always going to be an aluminium stuck to 3 bromines because that's what that molecule is. It is always an aluminium stuck to 3 bromines. Right, let's add up some of them. So I've got aluminium and bromine on the left, aluminium and bromine on the right. So starting off with, we'll do it in blue so it matches the equation. I've got 1 aluminium on the left, 2 bromine on the left, 1 aluminium on the right, 3 bromine on the right. So the aluminiums are balanced. I've got 1 on the left and 1 on the right. That's okay, that's balanced. But the bromines aren't balanced. I've got 2 bromines on the left, but 3 bromines on the right. The tricky thing here is working out how to match those up. So this is kind of a mathsy thing, but the way that we do this is by using the lowest common multiple. So if I times 2 and 3 together, that gives me 6. 2 goes into 6, 3 goes into 6. So if I want to have 6 bromines on both sides, because that's what I want, because that is the lowest number that goes into both 2 and 3, I need to turn this highlighter, to turn that 2 into a 6, and turn that 3 into a 6. The way that I do that is, well, 2 to 6 is multiplying by 3, yeah? Because 3 times 2 is 6. Okay, let's do that in another colour. 3 times 2 is 6. And then 3 times 2 is 6. So that equation is now balanced, and or almost balanced. There's one thing missing there. So let's go through and work out what the missing thing is. Let's get rid of this. Bear with, sorry. Let's bring that up. So we'll do this in pink so that it matches up. So I have now got, on the left-hand side, 3 Br2s. So I've got 3 of these things. Yeah? Each molecule is still 1 bromine stuck to 1 bromine, but now there are 3 of them. So overall, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I've got 6 of these on the left-hand side now. Over here, same thing. I've got 2 of those whole AlBr3 molecules. So aluminium, bromine, bromine, bromine. I've got 2 of those molecules. That's what that big pink 2 means. So I've got 2 of these whole molecules now, which means that I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bromines. So on the right hand side, I don't have 3, but I have 6. Now, we have changed the number of aluminiums on the right hand side as well, because I don't just have one anymore, I've got two. There's one there and there's one there. So the aluminiums on the right hand side are now 2. Put that in pink. On this side I've only got 1. On the left hand side I've only got 1 aluminium. See, on its own, no big number in front of it. I need to turn that one into a 2, so it's going to write a 2 in front of it. Now I've got 2 aluminiums on the left hand side. Now I've got 2 and 2, that is equal, they balance. I've got 6 and 6, that is equal, they balance. So our answer, what we're actually adding in, is the big 2 here in front of aluminium bromide, the big 3 here in front of bromine, and the big 2 here in front of aluminium. I realise that's a lot of information. You probably want to go through this a couple of times and have a go yourself. But I hope that helps a little. Okay, thank you. Bye.